Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are here now at the Bashim E. Shahin venue. So this place is very nice and beautiful. So we here now to make an event, the Grand Family Gala. So we are all Pakistan community. They will celebrate their event here. That's we called it the Grand Family Gala. And also with Almighty Allah, so the weather is so cold, so nice. So as what you can see, there is sports like I think this is soccer, as you can see. So the place is very beautiful. Yes, and you can see this one, an update to package 2030. Okay, and we will update some video. You can subscribe also the YouTube channel of package 2030. Hello, good morning. Assalamualaikum. Yes. Guys, yeah. Your what nationality? Your Pakistan? What? Ano? Yeah, Arabic. Okay. Saudi? Okay. So they don't know how to speak English. I think they are Saudi. Okay. Yes, by the way, I am Wilson from the Philippines. What amazing place. Very nice place. And the weather or the climate is very cool. And as you can see, guys. Okay. So welcome. Sooner we will start the Grand Family Gala and this venue. So held here at this place. So you can see very far. I mean, the place is awesome. And also we will upload some videos of this event, the Grand Family Gala. And please guys, subscribe to package 2030 so that you can be updated. So as you can see, yes, yeah, there are some waving. That is the my boss. Okay. This event is brought to us by the Bashim Shahin. Hello, boss. Good morning. Assalamualaikum. Okay, as you can see there also they have a very nice place. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much.